What if I told you that the most sophisticated energy management system ever created requires no technology, no equipment, and costs absolutely nothing? What if this system was so effective that ancient masters guarded it as their most precious secret, yet so simple that you already possess everything needed to master it? Today, I'm going to reveal a 2,000-year-old breathing technique that doesn't just calm your mind or reduce stress. It actually allows you to direct and control your life force energy with surgical precision. This isn't just ancient wisdom. Modern neuroscience is finally catching up to what these masters knew all along. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how your breathing changes when you're about to make a crucial decision? Or how certain people seem to have an almost magnetic presence that draws you in? That's not coincidence. That's energetic mastery in action. The ancient technique I'm about to share comes from a tradition that understood something revolutionary. Your breath isn't just keeping you alive, it's the remote control for your entire energetic system. While everyone else was focused on external rituals and complex ceremonies, these masters discovered that the key to energy control was literally right under their nose. Let me introduce you to what I call the resonance breathing protocol. A practice so powerful that it was originally taught only to the most advanced students in ancient mystery schools. The technique works by synchronizing your breath with your bioelectric field, creating what researchers now call coherent heart rhythm patterns. Here's what modern science tells us. When you breathe in specific patterns, you're not just moving air, you're creating measurable changes in your heart rate variability, activating your parasympathetic nervous system, and generating coherent electromagnetic fields that extend up to 8 feet around your body. The ancients called this your personal atmosphere. Today, we might call it your biofield. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about relaxation. When you master this breathing pattern, you gain the ability to 1. Instantly shift your energetic state from scattered to focused. 2. Influence the energy of spaces you enter. 3. Maintain emotional equilibrium under pressure. 4. Access heightened states of awareness on demand. 5. Recover from energetic depletion in minutes, not hours. The technique is deceptively simple, but the results are profound. I've seen executives use this to command boardrooms, athletes use it to access flow states, and healers use it to maintain their energy while helping others. Before we dive into the technique, you need to understand something crucial about what I call your energetic signature. You're constantly generating a unique electromagnetic pattern that affects everything around you. Most people's signature is chaotic, scattered, reactive. But when you learn to breathe with intention, you can architect this signature with precision. Think of it like this. If your normal breathing is like a flickering candle in the wind, this technique creates a steady, focused laser beam. The energy becomes so concentrated and directed that it influences not just your internal state, but the energy field around you. Now let me walk you through the exact technique that changed everything for me and thousands of others. I call it the resonance breathing protocol. The first step is the setup. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Place one hand on your chest, one on your solar plexus, the area just above your navel. This isn't just for monitoring. You're creating a circuit that connects your heart center with your power center. Next comes the breathing pattern itself. Instead of the typical belly breathing, we're going to use what I call coherent rhythm breathing. Inhale for 5 counts through your nose, hold for 5 counts, exhale for 5 counts through your mouth, hold empty for 5 counts. But here's the crucial part. As you breathe, imagine you're breathing directly through your solar plexus. Visualize golden light entering and leaving through this energy center, not through your lungs. Here's where we add the amplification. After 10 cycles of this pattern, add the secret ingredient, intention. On each inhale, mentally state, I am drawing in life force energy. On each exhale, I am radiating coherent power. This isn't just positive thinking. You're programming your nervous system to recognize and direct subtle energy. Finally, we integrate the practice. Continue for 5 to 10 minutes. In the final minute, place both hands on your solar plexus and feel the warm, steady energy you've cultivated. This is your baseline, your new energetic signature. Let me explain why this works from a scientific perspective. Modern research has revealed something remarkable. When you breathe in this specific pattern, several things happen simultaneously. Your heart rate variability increases, creating what scientists call heart coherence, a measurable state where your nervous system operates at peak efficiency. Your vagus nerve activates, switching you from fight or flight mode to rest and digest mode. But most importantly, your heart generates an electromagnetic field that becomes more organized and coherent. Dr. Roland McCrady's research at the Heart Math Institute shows that coherent heart rhythms create detectable changes in the electromagnetic field around your body. This field doesn't just exist, it influences the people and environments around you. As you practice this technique, you'll progress through 3 distinct levels of mastery. At the first level, which typically develops over weeks 1 and 2, you're using the technique to regulate your own energy. You'll notice improved focus, emotional stability, and physical vitality. This is where most people stop, but it's just the beginning. The second level emerges around weeks 3 and 4, and here's where it gets interesting. As your coherent field strengthens, you begin to influence the energy of spaces you enter. Tense meetings become calmer. Anxious people relax around you. You become what I call an energetic tuning fork, helping others find their own coherence. The third level is true mastery, usually developing after week 5. You can consciously direct your coherent field towards specific outcomes. Need creative inspiration? Breathe with the intention of opening receptive awareness. Facing a challenge? Breathe with the intention of accessing inner strength. You become the architect of your own energetic reality. Once you've mastered the basic technique, here are some powerful variations you can explore. For building confidence, try what I call the confidence protocol. Before important meetings or presentations, use the breathing pattern while visualizing yourself succeeding. The coherent field you generate will support your intention. When you need clarity, use the clarity protocol. When facing difficult decisions, breathe the pattern while asking your question. The coherent state allows access to intuitive knowing beyond logical analysis. For recovery after challenging situations, try the recovery protocol. After energetically challenging situations, use extended sessions of 15 to 20 minutes to cleanse and restore your field. Finally, there's the protection protocol. In challenging environments, maintain the breathing pattern while visualizing your coherent field as a protective bubble around you. Now, let me share some common mistakes I see people make when learning this technique. First, don't rush the counts. The power is in the rhythm, not the speed. I often see beginners trying to breathe as fast as possible, but that actually disrupts the coherence we're trying to create. Second, don't breathe too deeply. This should feel natural, not forced. You're not trying to fill your lungs to capacity. You're creating a steady, sustainable rhythm. Third, don't skip the visualization. The mental component is what transforms simple breathing into true energy direction. Most importantly, don't expect instant mastery. Like any skill, this develops over time. But unlike most skills, you'll feel benefits from day one. Here's what I find most fascinating about this practice. As more people master this technique, they create what I call coherence fields. Areas of space where everyone's energy naturally begins to synchronize. Families report more harmony. Teams become more collaborative. Even pets and plants seem to thrive in these environments. You're not just changing your own energy, you're contributing to a more coherent world. So here's what I want you to do next. I challenge you to commit to this practice for the next 21 days. Start with just 5 minutes each morning. Notice not just how you feel, but how others respond to you. Pay attention to the spaces you enter and how they seem to shift. Track your progress. Note changes in your energy levels, emotional stability, and the quality of your interactions. Most people report significant shifts within the first week. Remember, this isn't about believing in energy, it's about developing the practical skill to direct it. You don't need to understand electricity to flip a light switch. You don't need to understand quantum physics to use this technique. The ancient masters knew something we're only now rediscovering. Consciousness and energy are intimately connected. When you master your breath, you master your energy. When you master your energy, you master your experience of life. The technique is simple. The results are profound. The time is now. Are you ready to become the architect of your own energetic reality? If this technique resonates with you, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and let me know how the resonance breathing protocol affects your daily life. And if you found this valuable, please share it with someone who could benefit from more energy mastery in their life.